What's up, guys? Bitcoin, Terra Classic, and the whole crypto market is starting to crash again. Should you be concerned? Well, we're going to look at the charts and look at how low prices are likely to go, as well as when we can expect prices to start going up once again. Let's check it out. All right, so we have Terra Classic here, and as you can see, we're starting to dump down here pretty nicely. Well, not nicely, but pretty significantly. And why is it dumping? That's because of Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin having quite a massive dump here in the past day. Big red daily candle. So that's, as we know, when Bitcoin dumps, the whole market dumps. You can see here pretty much everything in the market is red, in the negative. Celsius actually up 9%, so that's interesting, but pretty much the whole market is red. And if we look at Terra Classic actually not doing too bad, only down 5%, actually up 2% compared to Bitcoin, almost 3% compared to Bitcoin, 5.5% compared to Ethereum. So as we've seen time and time again over the past few months, whenever the market crashes, Terra Classic tends to hold up stronger than even Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's considered the safest crypto out there. Terra Classic has been holding up stronger than even Bitcoin during each of these dumps, and we're seeing that once again. And question is, are we going to see prices go lower? So for weeks and weeks now, basically since we got up here, I've been saying another big dump is coming. We're going to most likely head back down to 19,000, and I expected it to happen faster than it did. We just kept going sideways for ages. I mean, because in the past we've seen sideways for about a month, big dump, sideways for a month, big dump, and I expected something similar to that again. But this time we just went sideways, slightly up for ages and ages, and now we're finally seeing that dump start happening. So I think we're very likely to come down to 19. I don't think this dump is over yet. Good chance we're going to come down to 19, retest this strong support we have down here at 19,000, and we could see a bounce there. But if we do break that, then of course we're going to see a really drastic dump and maybe form a new low. So we had the low here at about 17,600. If we break 19, maybe we'll put in a new low, but maybe we'll just bounce off of 19,000. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, but I think right now is an excellent time to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, because I think this could be the last big dump we're going to see during this bear market. I think either the bottom was back here, or we are very close to the bottom. So I think it's a great time to dollar cost average in. I started dollar cost averaging in back here. I bought some here at about 19,000, bought again at 19,000 here. And I've just been waiting through this because I expected another dump. We're finally seeing that. So I think we're going to have a nice buying opportunity here. If we get down to 19,000, I'm going to buy some crypto. If we break below that, I'm going to buy some more. So that's what I'm doing. You can do whatever you want, but that's my strategy, just to dollar cost average, because I think either we hit the bottom or we're very close to it. So I'm just going to be dollar cost averaging over the next few years as we head into another bull market. All right, and then Terra Classic also looking great in my opinion. So the price has gotten very stable, and this is usually a great time to dollar cost average in, because when it's going flat like this, good chance, a big move is going to happen. Could be a big move down, but I think more likely we're going to see a big move up with the huge catalyst we're having. So good time to dollar cost average in my opinion on these dips here, and we're having a nice dip here, pretty low price right now. So I think it's a good time to buy a little if you want to. Of course, nothing's guaranteed. Price could go way up, could go way down. So buy at your own risk. But I think with the staking coming up August 26th and the 1.2% burn proposal planning on being implemented mid-September, we're going to likely see, this is setting up perfectly. Price is going flat, and usually a huge move comes after that, and we have the big catalyst coming to make that happen. Just like back here, the price was flat, and we just saw a massive pump here, and we didn't really this came out of nowhere. There wasn't even a big catalyst at that time. So we could see that again, and maybe this dump is a good thing. Maybe we need the whole market to dump before Terra Classic can pump, because there's probably a lot of people that are waiting to buy. They're waiting for a big dump in the market before they buy, because I mean, that's what I'm doing. I haven't been buying anything up in here. I've been waiting for a crash. So once it crashes, then people will feel more comfortable buying, and then potentially we could see another big pump. If we look back here, this pump was, let's see, when was this pump? It was June 27th. So that was back here. And if we look, 9 days before that was the bottom of this huge dump. So yeah, 9 days later, we saw Terra Classic do this huge pump. So maybe we'll see another big dump, and then a little bit after that, we could finally see a massive pump for Terra Classic. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, of course, on what the price is doing and if we start to see another big pump coming. So like and subscribe if you found value in this video. Thank you for watching till the very end. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you later.